strike the tile leveling spacer stem with a rubber mallet near the tile edge to break it off cleanly. When removing tile leveling system spacers and wedges after installation, work after the thin set has firmed, but before it is fully cured, so you can break stems without disturbing tile alignment. Use a soft face tool like a rubber mallet or a dead blow hammer and strike the spacer stem close to the tile face at a shallow angle to snap the stem off flush with the tile surface. If wedges remain, grip them with a pair of needle nose pliers or a small pry tool and pull outward while supporting the adjacent tile with your free hand so you do not shift any tiles. For systems with reusable clips, press the clip base into the joint and pry up gently to expose the wedge, then extract the wedge toward the joint direction to avoid lifting the tile. Clean any residual stem material with a stiff plastic scraper. Avoid metal scrapers that will scratch porcelain or natural stone. If a stem breaks below the surface, allow the mortar to cure fully and then use a grout saw or oscillating tool with a fine blade to expose and remove remaining plastic without damaging the tile. Common mistakes include striking the spacer too hard and cracking a tile, so use controlled taps and support the tile edge while you hit the stem. Another frequent issue is removing wedges before the mortar has enough set, which can cause lippage, so wait the recommended time from the adhesive manufacturer and test a small area first. A third problem is leaving broken stem fragments in the joint that interfere with grout adhesion, so always scrape joints clean and vacuum or blow out debris before grouting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for tile work and general remodeling, and helps contractors connect with local projects and leads. We also host an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos to help each other complete better projects.